We are about to show you how easily you can get free Bitcoins per day. Getting things free in this inflation world is a blessing. You need to apply the tricks and tips to learn more ideas about earning money. There are many ways to make money. Some of the ways we will discuss in this video. One way of earning money is by sitting at your home via Bitcoin. So stay tuned to learn more about earning money. Watch the video to the end. We will discuss many easy ideas and websites from where you can make money the fastest. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. Otherwise, you will find many ways to earn money from cryptocurrency, buying and selling NFTs, though it is suitable for long-term investment. You might be eager to know more about cryptocurrency and how it works. We will be discussing different ways which can be beneficial for you at later times. There are two types of cryptocurrency: liquidity pools and staking. In liquid pools, there are two types in which cryptocurrencies are locked in a smart contract, which decentralizes the assets to facilitate the trades. You can get rewards in a different kind of liquidity pool by closing the tokens on a page. On the other hand, staking helps lock up crypto to earn rewards and interest. Well, earning money through cryptocurrency is relatively easy. You need to know about cryptocurrency and how it can benefit you in many ways. Start learning about it to make enough money from this source. First, you need to start choosing pages that are best for helping you make money. You can earn money by getting rewards from those pages, which gives you offers in exchange for cash. Offers include stablecoins. Apps that help earn money, for example, Binance, one popular app that gives multiple options to make you earn more money. And with BUSD, another option is crypto.org, which has many other earning options with USDC. Though if you want to expand what you are earning, you can choose other options, such as blockchain, which also has an external wallet for savings. What's the question you might get every time about how to get free Bitcoins? The answer is quite simple, as we have discussed earlier. There are many ways, including shopping rewards from credit cards, though the airdrops method is also helpful to get money in Bitcoins. Referral sources also gives you a commission, so you can earn Bitcoins. Playing games from different websites and apps is also authentic to get you more money. Another way is to participate in trading competitions, which is helpful for a beginner. For different ways to obtaining free Bitcoins, continue to watch this video. We will discuss the appropriate websites, including bounties and bonuses from different methods and bots. Websites for free Bitcoins. Websites giving free Bitcoins are discussed. We will tell you the many options from which you can learn different efficient methods instantly. While some websites are fake and get you in trouble, you need to open your eyes and make sure that you are going for genuine websites that are authentic and secure as well. However, some websites are accurate and reachable for free Bitcoins. Websites allow you to do mining through computer connections to the CPU, play games, or many other things to complete your task and get free coins. Pionex. It is one of the most popular websites that allows you to get free Bitcoin by doing nearly nothing. And there are many intelligent options that are helpful for traders who do not require you to watch them every minute. Pionex is an authentic website that grows to trade, and you will find robots that help you earn Bitcoins as the market gets up and down. In research, you will find that in the growth of the past 2 years, Bitcoin bots generate approximately 85% growth in Bitcoins. You can invest in trading, leave them in your wallet, and do nothing. You will get benefits from it without even doing a thing. Pionex has many features which are helpful for you to get money. One way is to swap exchange from crypto to crypto, which will help you get free Bitcoin. You will find more than 16 inbuilt free bots useful for trading on this website. You can also buy Bitcoins with credit cards. Another option is Huobi, which also provides you with free Bitcoins. You can also get Bitcoins from the trading bot in Bitcoin Growth. Zengo. Zengo is another website that allows you to make money by commissions, and this will require you to give a referral in which you will get a 50% commission on buying crypto from Zencoin. By purchasing crypto, you will get a free $200 Bitcoin from the referral person. You will get free Bitcoin from the Benexa method. Some methods will help you to reach through the free coins. Firstly, you need to download the app Zengo from Android or iOS. You will see the Earn Free Crypto on the account screen. Click on that. Then click the invite button to copy and share that with your friends and get the referral code. Back up the wallet link first to have your referral link. Then you can share your referral link on your phone. For that, use the invitation button to get the code. You will get the commissions every week, which will be in BTC. You need to click on the Earn Free Crypto button on the screen to get all your money. You should know if you get free Bitcoins daily. Well, many ways and websites are giving away free Bitcoins daily. You must perform your everyday tasks to get the fastest coins with minimum effort. Airdrops are one of the leading websites that give you regular bonuses to earn Bitcoin daily, be it Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, and other social media by this method. Even Bitcoin rewards are the easiest method, giving you space to learn first and then earn from various platforms. Be careful while you are searching for online jobs or free ways to get money. There are many scams out there that are hungry to eat you up. Try to research websites before getting into them. Some people wonder if the term free Bitcoin is accurate or not. We are here to give you all your answers regarding earning money and coins. It's hard to believe that you can earn free Bitcoins, but it does nearly nothing. But you need to know that all these methods of making money are helpful for you and beneficial for those companies that are offering these schemes, though some platforms get you gifts for marketing purposes. Methods to start Bitcoin. However, we have explained various ways, websites which help make money every day in the form of Bitcoins. You can start your Bitcoin journey by following our method of creating a Bitcoin wallet. Firstly, you need to open the wallet, and then protect the wallet with the PIN and save it in a place that anyone can't reach it. You can also buy Bitcoin for investment purposes or get free Bitcoins. These are the ways that might be enough for the learning objective. Well, you can earn by investing money in Bitcoin, but is it really worth it? If you put $100 in Bitcoin and want to gain the benefits, this platform is worth putting your $100 into, as it increases in value every now and then. It's all about your luck, though you need to check the proper method before investing your money to avoid future losses. There's no exact time to invest your money for the increasing amount. It is just volatile. Properly monitor the whole method to determine if it's the best time to invest or not. Sometimes BTC gets the hike, and sometimes it is on the dip. Previously, Bitcoin has gained almost 1,000% in value, and whoever puts money in that time got the benefit of nearly 3 years. If you are less risk-taking and want your money to double quickly, it is not worth it. You must be patient while investing money in Bitcoin to get better results. Well, here are the quickest ways and less risky ways in which you can invest money and get the benefit. These ways include airdrops, cloud mining, referral program, staking, bounty, and then you will get $10 for just the registration. You will get an option like earn money without investing that is also helpful. You will see daily plans which are also available for purchasing purposes. For that, you do not require any fees for the power as well. Other than that, being knowledgeable provides you the quickest way to get the results as well. And there are many more ways out there that you can get the quickest results. If you liked this video, check out our most popular videos for further information and learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And do turn on your notifications for more videos of making money online. Do have a look at our new videos.